How to switch back to personal account on Instagram. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will simply open Instagram app in our mobile phone. So let's open it. Here you guys will simply click on down right side profile pic. Now here you guys will wait for some seconds. Here you guys can see professional dashboard, edit profile, share profile. So simply click on professional dashboard. Now we will wait for some seconds. Here you guys will simply scroll. Once we scroll here, you guys will see trending audio, partnership ads, monthly recap, or other things. But we will simply click on top right corner setting option. Once I click here, you guys will see ad payment, ad placement, partnership, saved replies, frequently asked questions, welcome message. But we'll scroll here, you guys can see switch account type. So simply click on switch account type. Once we click here, you guys will see switch to business account, switch to personal account. So simply click on switch to personal account. Once we click on switch to personal account, here you guys will simply click on switch to personal account. And once we click here, that's it. Our account will be switched back to personal account. Thanks for watching.